Choose a convenient basis for calculation. Assume a volume of exactly 1.0 liters, or 1,000 milliliters, of the concentrated H2SO4 solution to make the calculation straightforward. Calculate the total mass of this solution volume. Use the given density of the solution, 1.4 grams ml to the power minus 1, to convert the volume of the solution to its total mass. Total mass of solution equals volume times density equals 1,000 milliliters times 1.4 grams ml to the power minus 1 is equal to 1,400 grams. Determine the mass of the H2SO4 solute. Since the solution is 50% H2SO4 by mass, calculate the mass of the actual solute in the solution. Mass of H2SO4 is equal to 1,400 grams times 0.50 is equal to 700 grams. Calculate the moles of H2SO4 solute. Divide the mass of the solute by its molar mass. 98 grams moles to the power minus 1 moles of H2SO4 is equal to 700 grams over 98 grams moles to the power negative 1, approximately 7.14 moles. Determine the molarity of the solution. Molarity, M, is defined as the moles of solute dissolved per liter of solution. Since our initial basis was 1.0 liters of solution, molarity equals 7.14 moles over 1.0 liters, approximately 7.1 molar. This matches option D. The correct answer is option D, 7.1 molar.